In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete MetaTrader 5 on PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the program is fully removed from your computer. Let's start from your desktop. First, you need to open the search feature on your computer. On most Windows PCs, you can find this at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. It may appear as a search box or as a small magnifying glass icon. Click on that to bring up the search field. Next, type Control Panel into the search bar. As you type, Windows should show you a matching result named Control Panel. When you see it, go ahead and click on it to open. The Control Panel is where you can adjust many system settings, including installing and uninstalling programs. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the option labeled Programs. This is usually grouped with other system settings, but it clearly says Programs. Click on that. Inside this section, you'll see another option called Programs and Features. This is the area that lists all the software currently installed on your computer. Click on Programs and Features to open the full list. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of applications installed. When the list appears, scroll through it until you find the MetaTrader 5 application. The name may appear as MetaTrader 5 or MT5, depending on how it was installed, but it will clearly reference MetaTrader 5. Once you've located the MT5 app in the list, click on it once to highlight it. After you select it, look toward the top of the window. You should see an option labeled Uninstall. This button usually appears directly above the list of programs. Click on Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove this program. If a confirmation window appears, click Yes or Uninstall to proceed. Follow any additional prompts that appear on screen. These may include closing running instances of MetaTrader 5 or confirming removal of certain components. Just continue with the uninstall process until it is complete. When the uninstallation finishes, MetaTrader 5 will be removed from your PC. You can close the control panel, and if you like, you can also restart your computer to make sure everything is fully cleared. That's all you need to do to successfully delete MetaTrader 5 from your Windows PC.